In today's video, we are going to be unlocking some silver that I purchased from BullionStar, and I'm going to show you exactly what I got. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the box so I can show you exactly what I got, and then we are going to go over to their website so I can show you exactly how much I paid for each one of these pieces of silver. So this is the box that contains the silver. It did come in a much bigger box, but it was too big for this table, so I ended up taking it out of that box and I opened it as well. But I did not see what was inside. Everything was perfectly wrapped, shipped with FedEx. You had to sign for it, all that good stuff. So now that we open it up, one thing that I love about BullionStar is their packaging is amazing. Everything is perfectly sealed, so you will know if someone messed with it during shipping. As you can see, perfectly sealed bag. Now let me see if I have the strength to open this. All right. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Kaboom. And now let's open up this even more. I don't have a box cutter, so we are going to use what we have. Oh my goodness. All right. So I did take advantage of the promotion that they had. So if you spent like 300 bucks, they will give you 1 ounce of silver absolutely free. And check this out. All right, so we got this one right here. Big fan of these. These are all 1 ounce pure silver coins. They are way bigger than standard coins. Then we got another one right here. Check it out. See, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Wow, check this one out. Same as all the other ones. Now let me see this one right here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ounces of silver. And we got this bonus 1 ounce of silver. It is the dragon. Check it out. Year of the Dragon. Amazing one. This one was absolutely free. So 1 ounce of silver if you spend 300 bucks or more. So check them all out. And let me add the dragon as well. Now we have 9. That comes out to 9 ounces of silver. Amazing. Now we are on the BullionStar website. I will have a link for it in the description box below. As you can see, free shipping for US orders. They have gold bars, silver coins, gold coins, platinum, all kinds of stuff. One thing that I love about BullionStar is they are super user friendly. So if you have never bought silver before, if you have never bought gold, BullionStar in my opinion is the way to go. Also, if you use the link below, you are going to get 10 grams of free silver and it will go straight to your account. You can keep this right here and watch it grow over time, or you can simply cash the silver out. It is up to you. But in my opinion, it is a great way to get started. Get yourself some free silver and start stacking. Now let me show you exactly what I purchased and how much I paid for it. As you can see, I ordered 8 1 ounce generic silver bullion rounds. All of these rounds are 0.999 pure silver. And this is how much I spent for the coins, $55.60 each, coming to a grand total of $445.28. And then I got one 2024 1 ounce silver dragon absolutely free. And as you can see right here, there was no charge for it. Also, BullionStar accepts many different forms of payment. You can pay with a wire transfer. You can pay with your debit card, your credit card. You can even pay with Bitcoin or other crypto. So you'll be able to pay for your gold and silver whichever way you want. Also, BullionStar has some of the best prices on gold and silver, and they have a lot of 5-star ratings. You'll be able to buy gold and silver and have it directly shipped to your house, or you can use their storage as well. Silver right now continues to go higher and higher in price. Let me quickly show you the ones that I purchased. As you can see right here, I purchased the generic silver bullion rounds. Right now they are $62.65. When I purchased them, they were $55 and some change. That is including the credit card fee. So by the time I ordered them and they got delivered, I am already in the profit. Obviously, I'm not buying gold and silver to day trade it or any of that stuff. I'm literally buying, stacking for the long term. The US dollar continues to lose its value, and right now the printers are back on. They are going to print even more. So in my opinion, having some precious metals is definitely a plus. So that is all I have for this quick little video. If you want to start stacking gold and silver, make sure to check out BullionStar. Link is below. Make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below. See you next video. Peace out.